guys, so this is the box it came in. Pretty cool. That was made by me, so it didn't come damaged at all. I gave us a free trial for Apple Music, which is pretty cool. Then it gave instructions on how to connect to your Android, Apple, or any other device for that matter. Then here's your care, safety, handling instructions. Then here's the charging port. As you can see, they're both USB-C endings, so you may need an adapter for that. And then here are the fittings. These are the medium-large ones, since I already put the small ones on the buds. And it also came with a sticker, but I happened to put it on my laptop already. And here's the case. There's the charging port. And as you can see, it fits right in my palm, and I have pretty small hands, so it's easy grab and go. And pretty durable for the most part. And if you open them, this light will turn on. It was red when I first got them, so don't be too worried about that. And as you can see, it's pretty secure. If I do this, the only thing that's moving is the lid, so don't be, well, I'm not too worried about that at least. And as you can tell, let's see if I can get it out. Oh, perfect. Pretty nice. As again, I have, it looks a little awkward in my ears because I have small ears. But then once you put them back, you should hear a little snap. And yeah. So overall, I am pretty satisfied with this purchase.
Okay, I'm really into gadgets and sound and high quality sound and high quality gadgets. I recently bought a iPad Pro 12.9, a new one, and I produce music, I produce video, and I work out a lot. And I need high quality sound. So I got these. Oops, backwards. I got these. I have iPod Pros. You know, you see these right here. I got them. These are decent. These are really good. I like those too. But these are better. These are better because they have better bass. The battery lasts longer. And they're more waterproof. You know, I mean, you can't put your head underwater, but I've actually had them in when I was swimming doing breaststroke. I mean, it's not perfect. It'll cut out a little bit, but you can be swimming, they're better than those in the water. Something else I like about them also is better. Oh, the battery life is longer. These last longer. I think it has a larger storage capacity for them. So these are really, really good earbuds, and I would suggest everybody get them. I even use them to create music, you know, as monitors when I create music on my iPad. I do production and stuff like that. So if you're whether you're working out, want to listen to music, or even have a conversation, it's really good. People hear me very well. And they're really cheap. I got them when they were like the Black Friday or the Prime Day sale. They're like $100. I'm like, I'm gonna get these. They're like up now. I think they're like 120, 130, but it's still cheaper than the AirPod Pros, and they just as good, if not better. All right, I would suggest you get them before they go up higher or before they sell out, because these are really good. I appreciate it. All right.